My dear friends, now I am showing a phagoemulsification surgery of grade 4 nucleus sclerosis patient. After making the both side port, now inject the 0.6% tryptophan blue dye in the anterior chamber. After 6 to 10 seconds, wash the dye and then inject 2% hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. After injecting the HPMC, now make the continuous curvilinear capsular axis of about 5.5 to 6 millimeter size. How beautifully this axis is forming. After completing the CCC, inject some HPMC and then make a main port. See how I am making triplanar incision. First make the scratch incision, then penetrate the tip of the keratome up to 1.5 to 2 millimeter and then go towards the center of the globe and then penetrate the full thickness of the keratome. Thus the triplanar incision is made. Now do the hydro procedure, hydrodissection and delineation. Again inject some 2% HPMC and this is the time to rotate the nucleus. Free rotation of the nucleus is must. This indicates there is no any corticocapsular adhesions. Now see how I am doing modified direct chop technique in this case. First of all, emulsify some superficial cortex in US1 mode. Here the phaco power is only 20, vacuum is 200 and flow rate is 50. Now go to the trenching, make a sufficient depth trench and then rotate the nucleus 180 degree and then embed the tip of the phaco needle, go to the US2 mode and divide the nucleus in two pieces. Now rotate the nucleus and again do the chopping. Thus do the multiple chops. Thus I make about 6 to 8 pieces of this nucleus. Now go to the US3 mode and after chopping emulsify the nuclear pieces one by one. Lift the nuclear piece from periphery, bring it to the center and then emulsify it. Emulsify in the center. Always remember, don't waste the phaco energy unnecessary inside the AC. Emulsify each segment quadrant one by one. Bring it from periphery to the center and then emulsify. Rotate this quadrant, hold it, chop and then emulsify. See how beautifully these all pieces have been emulsified. And this is the last quadrant. At this time, we must be very cautious. Now go to the US4 mode. After emulsifying all quadrant, then emulsify the epinucleus. This is epinucleus. After emulsifying the epinucleus, first remove the phaco chopper and then phaco probe. Now inject 2% HPMC, spread some HPMC over the corneal surface so as to enhance the visualization, and now do the cortical cleanup. You can use any instrument for the cortical cleanup. I am very much comfortable with this Zinco cannula. You can use bimanual irrigation aspiration cannula or coaxial. All the maneuvers are in very controlled manner in this instrument. Remove the subincisional cortex from the right side port. Now this sticky cortex can be removed from the main port. See. Now do the hydropolish for removal of cortical fibers which are adhered to the posterior capsule. This will help in prevention of the after cataract formation. Now inject HPMC, and this is the right time to implant the intraocular lens. In this patient, I am implanting hydrophobic aspheric intraocular lens, which is better than the hydrophilic lens. See, at this moment, I am loading the lens in the cartridge. First, wet the IOL with the HPMC, then put it into the cartridge and close the cartridge in such a manner that lens should be in the proper place. Now, lens cartridge is ready to implant. Penetrate the tip of the cartridge in the main wound, then implant the IOL in such a way that the leading haptics should go into the capsular bag. In this situation, trailing haptics can be placed with the help of lens dialer. Now lens is in the bag. Now remove the HPMC completely or thoroughly, because if you will left the HPMC inside the AC, it will create post-operative rise in intraocular pressure. In this situation, patient will complain pain. I am using bimanual irrigation aspiration cannula for removing the HPMC thoroughly. Let's see how I am removing the HPMC by this irrigation aspiration cannula. Inject the irrigation port from the main wound and aspiration port from the left sided side port. Go to the back of the lens and remove HPMC thoroughly. Remove first aspiration cannula and then irrigation cannula. Now inject 0.1 ml pilocarpine. This will construct the pupil. Wash it thoroughly and then inject the preservative-free moxifloxacin. Thank you very much for watching this video.